Good morning, class. Today I will continue the last portion of the 100 essay second. The line is: tears blurred her eyes, and she gazed for a long time at the picture. When Maddie saw her face on the face of the drawing, she became emotional. Tears blurred her eyes. It means the tears made her eyes dull, and she gazed for a long time. She kept on looking very attentively towards the picture, towards the face that was painted in the drawing. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. And then suddenly she rubbed her eyes. She became conscious. First she was shocked and surprised, rubbed her eyes, and then studied it intently. Intently means then she studied the face that was painted on the drawing. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and the head of the drawing. The color of the drawing was very vivid. Vivid means clear, attractive. That's why the notice of Wanda Petonsky could not go to the face of the drawing. She only kept on watching the color of the drawing because the color was very catching. The color was very clear, vivid. But it looked like her. When she looked at the face that was painted on the top of the drawing, she found that the face was not face of any other girl. It was the face of the Maddie. Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self. Wanda had really drawn this for her excitedly, and she ran to Peggy's. It means when Maddie looked very carefully, she found the face that was painted on the drawing. Really, that face was not the face of any other girl. That was the face of the Maddie. And she became very emotional कि they were making fun of Wanda Petronsky, but she was making designs and drawings for them. And she ran to the house of Peggy. She went to the house of Peggy, and she said to Peggy, she said, "Peg, let me see your picture." And then she went to the house of Peggy. She said, "Peggy, please let me see your picture. In my drawing, the face that was painted on the top of the drawing, that was the face of her, that was the face of Maddie." So she hoped that in the drawing of the Peggy, the face of the Peggy would be there. Up to her room, where the Vanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. And Peggy did not hang the drawing given by the Wanda Petronsky. She put the drawing on the bed, lying face down on bed. बिस्तर पर उसे उल्टा करके फेस को ऐसे डाउन करके बिस्तर पर उसने रख दिया था. शी पुट द ड्राइंग गिवन बाय द वेंडा ऑन हर बेड, टर्निंग द फेस डाउन. Maddie carefully raised it, and when Maddie went to the room of the Peggy, she very carefully picked up the drawing. Look, she drew you. And with great happiness Maddie cried, Peggy, look at the face of this drawing. Here there is no face of any other girl. This is the face of yours. That's you, she exclaimed, and the head and the face of this picture did look like Peggy. And Maddie, with great happiness and excitement, she said to Peggy, Peggy, this is your drawing. The face that was painted on the top of this drawing, that was not face of any other girl. That was face of yours. What did I say? Said Peggy. Peggy was also shocked and amazed to hear it. What are you saying? In this drawing, the face that is painted, that's my face. She must have really liked us anyway. And then Peggy felt that really when we were making fun of that girl, then she was making drawings for us. Really, she loved us very much. She was very unique girl. She was very kind girl. Yes, she must have, agreed Maddie. Maddie also agreed to the statement of Peggy, and she repeated that really that girl was very unique, that girl was very kind. We were asking funny questions to her to make fun of her, and she was making drawings for her. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard. Now Maddie once again became emotional, and the tears were covering the eyes of the Maddie, and she blinked her eyes. Blinked means just open and closed her eyes, and the tear that was in the eye of Maddie, so that may run down, that may came down. And why were the tears coming in the eyes of Maddie? The tears were coming in the eyes of Maddie because the Maddie became very emotional, and again and again only one picture used to come in her eyes. Wanda was standing in the schoolyard in the sunny spot. Sunny spot means shining spot, where the school girls were going to ask funny questions to her. Looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off. And Wanda Petonsky did not react when the girls used to laugh at her. She looked stolidly. She looked without any feeling towards the group of the girls, and after giving the answers to the questions of the girls, then she walked off for home. After she had said, "Sure, 100 of them all lined up," and Maddie was imagining that the girl would have told only that one answer, that she had 100 dresses and all are lined up in her cupboard, in her almirah. Now some questions from the last portion.